Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the stream. So I'm back. Didn't stream yesterday, but I'm back. I've been working on the game. I've been making progress on everything, on the battle system, on the UI. So yeah, glad to be back. If you're watching, let me know that you're watching wherever you are. If you're on Twitch, if you're on Twitter, X, YouTube, just let me know. I'd be happy to chat. I'd be happy to talk. So just leave me a message on whichever chat you're using and I'll be seeing it. So today I wanna work on maybe first I wanna work on the puzzles or maybe on some modeling. Wanna work on thinking about the urban environments of the game. So yeah, I will decide on the go what I want to do today on the stream. So let me know. So I'm just gonna post on my Instagram that I'm currently streaming. So just give me a sec. So if you're watching, let me know that you're watching. Let me see. We've got no viewers currently as the stream is starting. Yes, no viewers on Twitch or YouTube, but we've got viewers are already on Twitter. So we're gonna wait just a moment. So anyone's gonna join the stream, you wanna chat, you can join me on preferably on YouTube or Twitch. It's much better to talk. Okay, so give me just a sec. Let's hope the stream is working all right today. So yesterday I didn't stream, but the day before yesterday I started streaming. I think a bit early. Don't remember what was the hour, and everything was just crashing on me. So Windows was crashing on me, the internet wasn't working, and blah blah blah. I had to restart the stream because of some errors. So yeah, whatever. Let's hope that doesn't happen today. We have a cool stream and everything goes smooth as butter. So just a sec. Okay, there it is. Just took a pic for my Instagram story, so I can say that I'm live on Twitch. So we've got 10 viewers already. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so let me know if the stream is okay wherever you're watching, if the image and the sound is fine. I'm testing back again the live streaming. I don't know why it was. I think it had to do something with the drivers and NVIDIA drivers from the GPU, because I updated them like a day and a half ago and everything started working back. So it must have been a buggy driver. Oh, so we've got our friend Abdul on YouTube. Hi Abdul, thanks for watching, thanks for being here, dude. Happy to see you. I'm just posting a story on my Instagram, so I will be starting in just a sec. Oh, so what's happening? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's start. Also, I'm fine, Abdul. Thanks for asking. How are you doing? Okay, so let's start here. So what was I doing? I've been working on the other map, the initial map of the game, which is the biggest one at the moment. And I've also been working on the UI, on the battle UI, the turn-based battle UI, and the HUD, the heads-up display. Also, Abdul is good, so I'm happy that you're good, Abdul. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I'm just gonna show up the. Oh, so now we've got the energy cables going through the on the posts, on the lamp posts, light posts. Okay, and we've got the heads-up display. Okay, so yeah, why did I decide on this style of heads-up display? I've been working on like a million ideas for this. So our friend Abdul says, do you have more than one level, or do you have only one in Unreal? No, I do have more than one level. This is the thing, is that this is the level, the one that you're currently watching. This is the level that I've been building on stream, and I just want to keep some consistency with what I'm doing from one stream to another one, but off stream I'm working on the other levels of the game. So yeah, there's not only one level. So what was I saying? Oh, so yeah, I've been trying different type of ideas for the UI, for the heads-up display. I tried some pixel art. I tried some things on the top, on the right. I tried some very simple stuff, some very minimalistic stuff. Yeah, all sorts of ideas, and I finally decided on this style that you're watching right now, and I really like it. I dig it, so it works for me. So yeah, there's that. So let me go back here. Let's move the player start back to where we need it. Also, our friend Abdul says, I like it too, the UI, the heads-up display. Really glad that you like it, dude. I'm really happy about that. It has taken me a bit of time. Yeah, a couple weeks working on this. I'm really, is this the right word? I think it's meticulous. Yeah, I'm really meticulous and go into the details on the graphic design side of things, because I'm a graphic designer by profession. I don't know if I said it on stream on the previous days. So I take a lot of time on things that I think should take shorter time, like they should be faster, quicker, but I just go into the details, and it takes me a lot of time. But I'm happy to be finally showing this after weeks of working on it privately. Okay, so where's the player start? Okay, so this is where I should place it. Okay, so yes, I think first I'm gonna be working on the puzzles. Yeah, and afterwards I wanna model some stuff today on Crocodile, some urban stuff, some city stuff, because I've only been working on these kind of things that you're seeing, which are like towns, small towns, rural towns, but nothing that looks like city landscape. So yeah, want to look into that. Okay, so our friend Abdul says, today I don't have a lot of time, so if I disappear, that means I have to go. Okay, no problem, Abdul. Just happy to have you for whichever amount of time you have. Just want to say hello, so you know it will always be one that supports you. Really appreciated you, dude. I'm always having fun talking to you, and yeah, really appreciate it from the first day that you came on stream, and we had that really good deep talk about motivation and game development and all of that stuff. So no worries, dude. Really happy to have you around. for whichever amount of time that you have today. So thanks for being here. Okay, so let's work on this one. Okay. Yes. So this one was, yes, PP puzzle 3, number 3. Okay, so let me see. So as I said on a previous stream, each of these panels has its own number. So it starts at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this? Yeah, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Okay. Oh, so Abdul says, thank you. You helped me a lot too. Really happy to help you, dude. So just to give a bit of context of what we're talking about with Abdul. So Abdul is also a young game developer, and he's looking into Unreal Engine and making his own game in Unreal Engine. Really stoked about it. I'm really happy to hear about that with young people. And yeah, he had been having some performance issues on the game that he's working currently, but he fixed them. So we're all very happy for Abdul that he fixed the issues and the game is having the right kind of performance, and I was happy to help him troubleshoot that. Okay, so let me see the event graph. So I'm gonna change up the pattern. Yeah, the pattern for solving this puzzle. So let me just see this one. So maybe start here and then here, blah blah blah. Okay, so yeah, let's try this one. So I wanna check things up here a bit, and yeah, I want to change the visuals of this just to give it a bit of a reference to the player, to make them think a bit of what they should do without watching a reference to the solution of the puzzle. So I'm gonna change this panel and this one. Yes, let's do that. Also, our friend Abdul says, do you know who Brakis is? Of course I know who Brakis is. Yeah, we're all really happy to have him back on the game development world. So yeah, really happy to see that Brakis is back on his YouTube channel, and yeah, he's back. So Abdul says he's back. 3 years he stopped YouTube. Now he's back. Yes, he's back. He took a bit of time for that break, but he came back just in the right time. So I'm really happy to hear about that. So let me see. This one should be. So what was the material for this? Glow green. Yes. Yeah, we're all really happy that Brakis is back. And just to give a bit of context, so if you haven't watched game development tutorials on YouTube, so Brakis is like, was, and now he's back, like one of the biggest game development tutorial channels in YouTube. And this guy, the guy that made the videos, had took like a break from things, but came back. But he's back. And also our friend Abdul says, I think I have to go. I'll come back when I have time. Awesome, Abdul. Thanks for stopping by. Have an awesome day. So as I was just saying, talking about what Abdul was talking on the YouTube chat. So Brakis is one of the biggest tutorial YouTubers, game development tutorial YouTubers, and he worked with Unity before, but now he's gonna be. I think he's gonna be. I didn't watch the newest video, the current video, but I watched the comments on Twitter, on X, and I saw that he's coming back and doing tutorials with Godot now. Okay, so he's gonna be using Godot, and that's really cool. Really happy to hear about that, because many people are transitioning into Godot to use it as their go-to engine. So really happy to hear about that. So let's imagine we're the player. Okay, so let me just check out. Okay, so we've got a couple viewers on Twitter, on X, on YouTube too, and on Twitch. Oh, awesome. So let me know if everything's working fine, the stream is working out nice for you, or just wanna talk, you just wanna hang out, just leave me a comment on the chat. Okay, so let's imagine we've encountered this puzzle. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna explain what I'm talking about. So let's open up this door. Okay, so we solved that one. That one, to solve that, yes, you would need a bit of luck if you want to solve it without knowing beforehand how it is solved. But also you would need to see the solution, which you would get after fighting against an enemy, or an NPC would give you the pattern that you could use in this puzzle. But let's imagine that we don't have a reference to solve this one, and we just have these two squares. So what would be the logical thing as a player? I would say that if I see that these two cubes, these two panels are on green, they and I had a previous reference that the solution starts with a green panel and ends on a green one, so that must be the same thing here. Okay, so as a player, which would be really easy, it would be just trial and error, but not so easy, because if you step on a wrong panel, you're gonna get your health reduced. I haven't implemented that with the puzzles. I have only been working that on the health on the battles, but I will be implementing that on these next few days. So logically, I would have to find the correct way from one place to the other one. Also, that isn't working as intended currently. I have to fix that, so I will go and fix that. Okay, so let's go and fix that. Okay, so let's go to the event graph. I'm gonna disconnect this one. Also, I wanted to talk a bit about my YouTube channel. I'm almost at 500 subscribers. I'm currently sitting at 487. So I'm 13 subscribers short of this goal that I have. So I'd be really happy if you're watching in any of the other platforms, if you're watching on Twitch or on Twitter, if you would help me subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can find me as NerdyPunkDev, which is the name that I use everywhere. So yeah, please help me out with that. Would be really happy to reach the 500 subscribers. And also I have the current goal on Twitch to reach 30 followers. So yeah, I think I'm up to 25 followers, which is really cool. It's a really cool progress in just a week of live streaming. So yeah, really happy about that. So let me start here. So this one's gonna be green, and the next one should be panel 22. Okay, so let's start working with that. So this one's gonna be 22. Okay. But yeah, this is the target. Oh, so the blueprints editor sends it. Oh, so we've got a new subscriber. Long live. Okay. Okay, so that is a long comment on Twitch. I will not be reading that long comment. I will be reading it off stream later. But yeah, thanks for subscribing. Thanks a lot for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I gotta remember what was this doing. I definitely should start commenting my stuff. I keep forgetting how I built stuff previously. Okay, so let me see if this is working. Okay, so give me just a sec here. Okay. So yeah, I just want to add a comment on add a new message on the Twitch stream chat. Okay, so what was I doing? I was just gonna test that one. Okay, there it is. So let me just go and test if that one is working as intended. Okay, this one is working as intended. Okay, so let me see. So I should test one of the traps, one of the ones that make the puzzle reset, just to see if this if I'm doing this right. I can't remember what I was doing here. Should start commenting stuff. If you're also making games, you're using blueprints or visual scripting or reading code or whichever language or whatever you're using, always remember to comment your stuff so so this doesn't happen to you. You come back to stuff and can't remember how you built it. Okay, so yeah, let me test that again. I just want to see if the reset of the platform, the puzzle is working as intended. Okay, so let me step on this one. Oh, there it is. Yes, it's working as intended. Awesome. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, so why are the other ones? Ah, okay, I get it. Okay, yes, no worries. This is working as intended. So we go from panel 22, and let's say that the next one should be 23, and this one should be a trap. Button 17 is currently a trap, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And yeah, the next one should be 23. Okay, so we've got here this one, and this one should be 23. I don't know why the blueprints editor, whenever you add a new event to the blueprint editor, whenever you add a new event, it adds the node, but it adds it to like the bottom of the whole event graph of the whole editor. That doesn't make any sense. It should add it here. I will see if it is part of the settings, if I can change that. I'm just rambling here. I'm just ranting here with no reason that makes sense, whatever. So I'm gonna see if that can be fixed on the settings. So let me just go and check if this is all working as intended. Okay, so we've got our reference panel. This one does nothing. It just tells us where we can start the puzzle. Okay, so we go here. Oh, this isn't working. Okay. Collision 23. Is that 23? Oh, no. No, yeah. Yeah, it's 23. And this is 23. Yes. Okay. Why isn't it working? Did I do something wrong here? Let me check this one. Check this one. Oh, this resets the position of the panel. Oh, okay. So I did I did comment the script. I just didn't comment it everywhere that I should comment it. So yeah, there's the comment. Okay, let me see what's happening here. Why isn't this working? Let me see. So, what was the note for text debugging purposes? Oh, string. Yeah. Oh, can't seem to remember. This is lame. This is gonna happen a lot on my streams. I tend to forget the most basic stuff in whichever tool I'm using. I always have to get back to the documentation, to the reference resources, the learning resources. Oh, so we've got our friend Raccoon on YouTube. Hi, Raccoon. Nice to see you back here. Thanks for stopping by. How are you, Raccoon? How is everything going on your weekend? Okay, so this is pretty lame, but I can't remember. I'm just getting this a lot of what is the blueprint? No, to display debug message on screen. Can't remember what is the node. I should use that one more often. Print string. Yeah, that's the one. Fuck me, right? Okay. So print string. There it is. Let me see. Okay, so awesome. So we've got the soundtrack from Powerbound, which is one of the coolest indie game soundtracks. Okay, so we'll go here, and this is happening. Oh, so our friend Raccoon says, I'm good. Happy to hear that, Raccoon. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Have you been working on your game? Oh, so Raccoon says, thank you for restoring the Japanese subtitle. Happy to restore the Japanese subtitle. I don't know what was happening on the previous stream, dude. I just had a lot of issues. I had issues with the connection. I had issues with OBS. Windows crashed on me. Everything was crashing. That was not my day. Okay, so yeah, really happy to make the subtitle work again. I'm really glad that you're watching and seeing the subtitles working. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Okay. It says this is happening, but I'm not getting the damn panel to go down. Why isn't this happening? Oh, yes. Stupid. I'm really stupid. So yeah, I was animating the collision, not the mesh. What an idiot. Yeah. 23. Okay, yeah. There it is. Okay. Okay, awesome. Now it will work. So yeah, the collision is a different thing from the button. I'm not using the whole panel as the collider because it doesn't make any sense. Because if I just scratch it on one of the edges of the surface, it would trigger the panel, which doesn't make any sense. So that's why I separated the collisions from the panels. Okay, so now it will work. There it is. Now we're talking. Okay, so does this reset? Yes, this resets the puzzle. Okay, awesome. So let's set the next one. Okay, so we go here and here, and let's say now we go here. Yeah, that would be the most obvious path, right? Maybe I use that one, maybe not. Also, Raccoon, have you been working on your game, on your projects or anything? Let me know how everything has been doing. Okay, so the next one is 24. Okay, so there it is. Oh, so let's delete the string. Yeah, we don't need the string anymore. Okay, so we've got 3 panels working now. Okay, so we go here and here and here. And obviously, if this would only be one way to solve the puzzle, to go from one point to the other one. There should only be one way available. So if I hit this one, that shouldn't happen, right? So if I hit this one, the puzzle should get resetted, and the player's health should be decreased. Okay, so whenever you don't solve the puzzle in the right way, the health is going to be decreased. Okay, so I'm gonna fix that right now. So this one should be a trap, and this one should be a trap. Okay, so they're both a trap. Okay, so Why isn't that one getting resetted? Yeah. Also, our friend Raccoon says, I'm just modeling favorite character, my Oshi. How do I say Oshi in English? Okay, so let me see, Raccoon. How do you say Oshi in English? Say this word Oshi in English. Let's check with our AI overlord. How do you say Oshi is pop culture to it? Idol group. Okay, so this is the answer from Copilot Raccoon. The Japanese word Oshi is a slang term often used in the context of pop culture. It refers to one's favorite or preferred member of an idol group, celebrity, or even a thing that they actively support. It's derived from the verb meaning to recommend. The term Oshi is also used to describe things you really like, such as your favorite restaurants. It is often used among young people to describe an idol member or anime character. Okay, so Oshi would be like your favorite character, right? Your favorite pop character or anime character. So, oh, now I understand what you were saying. So you've been modeling your favorite character, my Oshi. Also, that's what you said. So yeah, that would be, you said it right, dude. Favorite character would work as the equivalent to Oshi. So so I'm glad to see that you're working on modeling. So yeah, thank you, Copilot. Thanks to our AI overlords. We hope that when you take over the world, you're gonna spare our lives, my life and Raccoon's life. Okay, so yeah, thanks, Copilot. Okay, so what software are you using for 3D modeling, Raccoon? What is your go-to software for 3D modeling? Okay, so what was I gonna do? Yes, the trap. So this one is 18. Yes, this one should be a trap. So let me find. Oh no, shouldn't have done that. Yes, 24. I'm deleting this one and this one. What was the, okay, 18. Where's 18? Here. There it is. So this is 24, which should be the next. So blah blah blah, and now here 19 should be the next one. So I'm gonna add the traps afterwards, and I'm gonna end with the solution. I'm gonna work right now on the solution. Afterwards, I'm gonna add the traps. Oh, so our friend Raccoon says that is modeling with Blender. Oh, awesome, Raccoon. I don't use Blender currently. I have used Blender for some stuff. it hasn't been my go-to 3D modeling suite. For some reason, I don't know why, but I found Blender to be overwhelming for me. I don't know if it's because I learned 3D modeling on Maya from Autodesk, so I find Blender to be so different, and it's hard for me to grasp everything and the UI and the user experience in Blender, but it's such a powerful software that I should learn it properly. So yeah, really cool that you use Blender. Do you like it? How long have you been using it, Raccoon? Okay, so this one is 19. Whoa, getting an error. This blueprint is not a sync. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna disconnect that one. Just for the moment. Okay, so yes. See, now it is working as intended. The puzzle is starting to take shape. The solution is starting to take shape. Okay, so I'm not gonna be playtesting all of that. I'm gonna make the full puzzle before. Okay, so after 19, we should go to 14. Yes. Also, our friend Raccoon says that has been using Blender for about 3 years. Oh, so a long time, right? So I imagine that it has become an easy to use software for you now. You've got a bit of experience in Blender. Really cool to hear that. I saw your work on Twitter, on X the other day, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, I can imagine that you become better as each year goes by on the software. Really happy to read about that. Okay, so after 14. Oh, yeah. Let me just connect whatever. So after 14, we should... Oh, so we could go to 15, right? Instead of 9. Yeah, let's try 15. Okay, so after 14, we're gonna go into 15. Also, Raccoon says that he has been getting better with Blender on these 3 years. Happy to hear about that, dude. Really cool. Okay, so let's test this. Let's see if this is the pattern that we want. Okay, there it is. That is working as intended. Let me check if this one is okay. We go here, and then here, and then here, and then here. Awesome. Yeah. And then we should go here to end it here. Okay. And this one should open the door, right? So, which is that one? This is 10. Panel number 10. Okay, so let me just grab all of this. Okay. Let's not make a mess here. Okay, so this is panel 10. That is the next one. That's a nice song. Really like this track. It's a happy track. Makes you optimist. I should add it. Yeah, I think I should add a new timeline here. Or no? Let me see. Let me see if this works. Okay, so our friend Raccoon says, yeah, Blender is great. I'm interested in Maya too, but too expensive. Yeah, dude. It's way too expensive. I used Maya with the student license a couple of years ago, but I haven't been using it recently. Yeah, it's way too expensive. These companies, Autodesk and Adobe, have become such... I don't want to use a bad word on stream. But yeah, they're assholes, dude. Yeah, their licensing terms are way too predatory for indie devs like us. And yeah, that just pushes... I think that just pushes people to pirate their software. That's why there is so much piracy revolving around Adobe and Autodesk, because their prices are way too high. The subscriptions are predatory for indie developers. So yeah, people just pirate the stuff. I wouldn't say that I'm happy that people I wouldn't support that people are doing it, but I think it just makes sense that many people are doing it, especially in lower income countries. But yeah, it doesn't make any sense to be using Maya anymore if you don't have the money for it. You should definitely go with Blender from the start. Yeah, when I started using Maya like 10 years ago, yeah, I think 10 years ago, yeah, like 9 years ago. So Blender wasn't as powerful, wasn't as good as it is now. But there's no reason to use Maya if you don't have the money for it anymore, because Blender has become such a powerful software that it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so there it is. See, now the puzzle works. Now the solution works. Okay, awesome. So now let's add the traps. So I shouldn't be able to go here or here or here or here. Oh, yeah, I should be able. So I'm gonna fix the puzzle so it should be solved on the right order to make things work. Okay, awesome. Oh, so yeah. Oh, so when I hit the traps, the reference panels are getting resetted. That shouldn't happen. So I'm gonna remove panel 21 and panel 5 from here. Panel, what was 21 and 5, right? Okay. Panel 5 and 21. Those ones should be permanently green. Okay, awesome. Okay, there it is. There it is. Now we go here. Oh, let me try this. Okay, awesome. Whoa. Why did that happen? Why did this get reset? Yeah, it does reset the... No. That is a trap. That shouldn't be opening the door. That shouldn't be opening the door. Definitely. That is a bug, not a feature. Okay. So that works. Why did that door get opened? Why is that happening? Yeah, that shouldn't be happening. That definitely I think it has to do with the... I think it has to do with the timeline. Let me check this. Timeline. Why isn't this working? Yeah, yeah, raccoon. Don't know why. Can't understand why that isn't working as intended. Gotta go check out. Because the code to solve the puzzle is only happening once and in one place in the whole event graph. So I wouldn't understand. Okay, let's check that again. Okay. Yeah, it had to do with the timeline. Definitely. Yeah. Yeah, I think I fixed it. Okay. The bug is gone. There it is. Awesome. Yeah, it works now. Okay. Oh. Error. Let me see this. Where's the error? Okay, let me see. Yeah, we're getting an error. Definitely. Let me check this one again. Want to understand better what is happening here. Okay, so the puzzle is working as intended. It looks like it works as intended. The door opens. The panel is set. No error. Okay. Yeah, fuck me, right? Why is the error not happening again? I'm gonna try and replicate it. Why did that happen only once? The error isn't happening again. Should happen again. Because if it doesn't happen and I don't know what's happening there, I wouldn't know how to solve whichever bug is happening there. Okay, there it is. Not happening again. Can't replicate the error. Okay, let me check out that. Oh, no, 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 no. Unreal Engine, don't crash on me. Did I save the progress on this puzzle? I did. Oh. I thought that Unreal Engine was gonna crash. I'm gonna save everything. Yes. Where's the output log? Can't seem to replicate the error. Fuck me, right? Yeah. Didn't. I'll see what's happening there later. I will dig on that to see what's happening there. Okay, so yeah, get solved, works as intended, blah blah blah, nothing happens. No error. Okay. Yeah. Fuck that. I'll come to it later. Yeah, it works, Raccoon. I don't know why it worked. Why I had an error before. I should have taken the screenshot of the error. Yeah, but it isn't happening again. It just works. Don't crush. Don't crush. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Okay, so awesome. So let's start adding the traps. So which panels are going to be traps? So panel 17, panel 18 are going to be traps. So, okay. Can I remove this one? Okay. Panel. Oh, let me just confirm. So we're going here, 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 here. So yeah, panels 17, 18, 17 and 18 are traps. So yeah, it is working. And then 18 and 13. Yes, 13 should be a trap. Okay, let's check if this is working already. Okay, awesome. Okay, so Raccoon says very scary. Yeah, getting that error just once is scary because I don't know if it is a bug, if a player is gonna encounter it later, or I'm gonna encounter it later or not. So who knows? Who knows what was happening there? Okay, so we start here and then here, and if I go here, yes, the traps are working. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the right order of things, so it should the puzzle should be solved in the right order, not in a random order that I can just go back and press blah blah blah, whatever button that I want, whatever panel that I want. But this one is working. Okay, so there it is. There it is. Now let's go here and here. Let me see if I go here. Yes, the traps are definitely working. So the next trap should be this one. Yes. Or this one. Yeah, both of this. Both of this should be the next trap. Oh, there it is. There it is. There's the error. Non-blueprint runtime error. Access non trying to read property timeline button 4. Oh, there it is. Some time on timeline button 4. Yeah, I should check out that timeline. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, so at least I know where the error is. I will come back to it later. I just want to finish this so I don't forget. what I'm doing. So panel 8 and 9. Okay. 8 and 9. Okay. So now we've got, I'm pretty sure that we've got all of the traps working. So the solution is working, and now the traps should be working also. So if I get here and here, and then here, and then here, and then here, and I get here, yes, it gets resetted. Maybe that has to do with the error. I don't know. I will see if it is related with the error, but whatever. So now here, then here. Okay, that is working as intended. And there it is. Yes, this opens the door. Awesome. It looks like... Okay, so there's the error. I was able to replicate it. I will see that... I will solve that off stream. Yeah, better to solve that off stream. Just to not lose too much time on boring stuff. Okay, so we've got the puzzle solved there. Awesome. Okay, so let me move this one here. I had been meaning to do this before. Had been meaning to add a bit of grass here and there around this puzzle, so it doesn't look so boring, so dull. Yeah, just to give a bit of more atmosphere to this one. Okay, so this, okay, this is a blueprint. Why is this on the pink grass folder? Oh, so our friend Raccoon says, there it is. Yes, it worked, Raccoon. It's awesome that it finally worked. The traps are working on the other puzzle, and the solution is working. Everything is working as intended. I just gotta try and replicate the error that is happening to see why is it happening sometimes and sometimes not. But I will dig on that after the stream, because it would be a bit boring to just be trying to solve that. Like, sometimes those errors take me like 5 minutes, sometimes they take me like an hour, 2 hours, whatever. And if it takes too much time, it would make the stream boring. So I don't wanna make the stream boring. Okay. There it is. This is what I wanted. Oh, so our friend Raccoon says, sorry, Tulio, I gotta go. See you again. Thanks for watching, Raccoon. I had lots of fun hanging out with you. So, yeah, have an awesome weekend. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Hope to see you soon in any of the other streams and on Twitter, on X. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Arigato. Bye bye, Raccoon. Okay, so if you're watching, let me just check. We've got one person connected on Twitch. It's not me, right? Nah, I closed the Twitch tab on my browser. So we've got one person on Twitch, one on YouTube, and yeah, a couple more on Twitter. Okay, so if you're watching, let me know that you're watching. Leave me a comment, leave me a message in chat. Let me know what you're working on. If you're working on games, if you're working on anything else, on the illustration, coding, whatever, let me know. Would be really happy to talk about your work also, whichever it is. Okay, so yeah, this gives the puzzle a much better atmosphere, right? Makes it look way better, less lonely. Okay, yeah, this looks way better. Awesome. There it is. It gets solved. Should add something here. I will be adding it later. Yeah, definitely here. The spaceman will encounter an enemy and get into a battle, and afterwards we can go here. So if you're just joining the stream, I was building this puzzle, and this one obviously has a bit of a reference. It's telling us without words which is the initial and the beginning and the ending of the solution of this puzzle. So we should find out which is the right way to get from this point to the other point. Okay, so we could go from here and then try this one, and there it is. That's a trap. So we go here. Okay, that works. Now here, that's a trap, and that is gonna reduce the health of the. It's not only going to be like, okay, so it gets resetted and you just go back and blah blah blah. No, it's gonna decrease the health of the spaceman. So you would have to be very careful on how you go solving this puzzles, and maybe if you die, you will have to remember and memorize how this was solved. So when you die, you go back to the beginning of the level or to a checkpoint. So this is the right solution of the puzzle. Okay, so there it is. So we get here, and okay, so I've got that error. I will look into that error after the stream, afterwards. I feel that this crease look a bit duller. Let me see how they look on the gameplay. Yeah, that looks better. I like that more, how it's looking. Yeah. Okay, awesome. So I should put a fence in there, right? Okay. Okay, so this is the soundtrack. If you're watching, if you're listening, this is the soundtrack for this game called Hardbound. But I'm pretty sure, and I'm also sure that you guys can also hear that this melody comes from The Legend of Zelda, right? They're not using the whole melody, just like a bit of it, but it's a nice Easter egg. It's a nice reference. Yeah, I will definitely will be doing that with music. Oh, so this isn't the right fence. This one is the right one. Okay, awesome. We shouldn't be able to go there, right? That's why I'm placing the fence. Okay, awesome. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Yeah, no going in there. Now let's solve the puzzle and let's see. This one should be like the entrance to a city, right? Yeah. Let's work on something urban, something city-like. Let me just fire up my Instagram. I had some references on my Instagram of what I wanted to do today. So let me just check this out. Saved. Oh, can't. Oh yeah, this one. Yes, I liked the aesthetics of this house, this Lego house. So I will definitely will be using a bit of that. Is that the only reference? Yeah, I think so. That was the most recent reference. So let me just grab a screenshot of this. Okay. It says that this is a tea house. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, so let me fire up crocodile. No. First, I'm gonna work this in Pixel Basher. So I'm just gonna start blocking the space. Yeah, maybe here the ground material is gonna change to something like concrete. Yeah, definitely. But don't know how I'm gonna start blocking this space, adding stuff to the world. So yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna start working on like the first house of this place. So let me find. I think I had a software for seeing references. Nah, I'm just gonna work with the screenshot. Okay, there it is. So how do I approach this? Okay, so I'm just gonna. Okay. Yeah. That's what I wanted. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna start with yes, the texture for the roof, maybe. Yeah, the roof definitely. Should I use this roof? Yeah, let's try this one. Yeah, that's the one that looks the closest to that. Okay. So this one should be bluish, right? Yeah, something like that. Okay. Now let's see, what is this? Something like wood, right? Let me remember. I'm just trying to remember. Let me just check out another file. I'm just trying to get the right sizes of this. Okay, so house 5. Yeah, wood house. Okay, this one. So what is the right size of this? So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes, 4. So it'd be 16 times 4. Yes, 64. Yes. Okay. Let's start from scratch. Nah, too bright. That's too bright. And that isn't the... Okay, that's it. Okay, so if you're watching, let me check out the stream stats. We've got one person connected on Twitch. Okay, so 1 watching Twitch, none on Kick. Yeah, this kick thing sucks. It sucks. It doesn't work right for software and game developers. Yeah, that category doesn't work at all on Kick. So I will definitely will be trying another platform. Yeah. But it's working great on Twitch, and it's working great on YouTube also, and especially on Twitter, because I have the most followers currently on my Twitter, on my X. So yeah, that's where I get the most views currently on the live stream. I should hope that X is going to be working to make live streams more discoverable. But anyways, the community is awesome on X. At least my community, the one that I've nurtured. Oh, so it said that it was 4, right? One, two, three, 4. Awesome. Oh, but I didn't check. So I'm gonna save up this one. Okay. So it was 4 tall and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wide. Okay. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There it is. Okay, so I'm trying to find this tone, this color, like the wood. Yeah. First try. Awesome. And let's try and add that kind of. Yeah, that kind of. Window. Yeah. Let's try and add this big window. Yeah, that works. Awesome. Okay, so if you're watching, if you just joined the stream, I'm currently working on my own game called Spaceman Memories. This is a 2.5D JRPG which I'm building on Unreal Engine. I had been working on the first hour. We're up to an hour and a half, and I had been working on the first hour on some puzzles. Yeah, I'm setting up some puzzles here for some solutions and some traps and whatever. And after you solve this puzzle, I want the player to encounter a city. So now I'm starting to model some stuff for the city, and yeah, that's what's happening here. And I always start for my 3D models. I always start with the textures, and I work the textures in Pixel Basher. Afterwards, I bring them for some refinement into Sprite, and the last step before they go into the engine is making the 3D model in Crocodile. So I will be doing that afterwards. when I finish the texture. Okay, so let me check. This one's working. Yeah. Just say that works. Yeah, I think that works. That one works. Should I add this one here? Yeah. This one looks nice. Yeah, that looks nice for a top window. Let me just add a bit of a gradient here. Yeah, that looks nice, right? Maybe a bit closer to the top. Oh, so we've got our friend Darlington on the stream. Thanks for stopping by, dude. Our friend Darlington is currently in Germany. So greetings to Germany. So our friend Darlington is asking on chat, where's that image from? I just got it from Instagram, dude. Like a couple minutes ago. I had saved this post that I found, and it says that it is a tea shop. Yeah, a Japanese tea shop. Is this Japanese? Yes, this is definitely Japanese. The architecture is Japanese. So yeah, I got it from Instagram. I just took the screenshot and I'm using it as a reference for the texture. Maybe I'm not gonna make like the same exact model, but this is the reference for what I'm gonna be modeling on Crocodile. So yeah, that's where I got it from. Why are you asking? Okay, so we've got top window. I'm gonna model the AC. Oh, so our friend Darlington says, I just wanted to know. Okay. Thanks, dude. Thanks for asking. Yeah, I found it on Instagram. I will send you the post. The Instagram post. Okay, so we've got the roof. Yeah, maybe I should add the texture for this part of the roof, the edge. Will this work? Let's try this one. Okay, awesome. Let's continue with the lower story. I'm gonna use... Should I use the same? Wow, this is a bug. Yeah, I've got a bug here on Pixel Basher. Yeah, the layers are broken. Those aren't my layers. Those are the layers of another file. How am I gonna approach this? I want to do something like the door. but I'm gonna add the modern twist. Yeah, let's try and add like a more modern video game twist to this. Okay, so Pixel Basher isn't working as intended. I think I'm gonna open it again. Nah, it isn't working as intended. So I'm gonna reset Pixel Basher. Okay, so I'm gonna save this project. Yes. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. Let me open up the project again to see if, yeah, it is fixed. Yeah, the thing that was broken was the layers. For some reason, I was getting the layers from another file. So yeah, this happens sometimes in Pixel Basher, but no big deal. No. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, maybe the lower part of the door should be. Yeah. Maybe something like that. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, this works. Yeah, okay, let's change the color. Oh, yeah, that one. Oh, okay. That one looks nice. Should I place a window here? Yeah, maybe. No. Oh, so our friend Darlington says, why are you up so early, man? I don't know, dude. Yeah, I'm just crazy. That is like the most reasonable response that I would give you. Yeah, it's Saturday and it's 5:56 where I'm at, and I started streaming 1 hour and 48 minutes ago. So yeah, I started like at around 4 a.m. Yeah, I don't know, man. I just had some. Yeah, I just woke. I woke up to go to the bathroom like at 3:40 a.m. and I just thought, well, I should just wake up completely and start streaming, and I did it. Yeah, for no reason at all. So yeah, that's why I'm up so early. Some of us are crazy for no reason at all. But also I've seen that some of the best hours to stream on Twitch are these hours, because it seems like you get less competition by streaming on non-conventional hours on Twitch. So maybe it helps. Let's hope it does. Okay, so I don't like this grayish. Something more like bluish. Yeah, that one. Okay, so we've got like the basic. So, what time is it, Darlington, where you're at? In Germany. What time is it currently? Okay, so let me fire up a sprite. Awesome. Oh, so it's 2 p.m. in Germany. In Berlin. Yeah, it's Berlin, right? Yeah. So it's 2 p.m. in Germany. Nice hour. Way better than waking up at 4 a.m. to stream on Twitch like crazy person. Yes. Yes, our friend Darlington says yes. That it's way better to be at 2 p.m. just chilling on a Saturday afternoon in Germany than waking up at 4 a.m. to randomly stream on Twitch. So does this one? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so if you're watching, if you're just joining the stream, I'm currently working in Ace Bright. I was working in Pixel Basher, building this texture for a 3D model that I'm gonna be working on a crocodile to bring it up to Unreal Engine, so I can start working on a city-like environment, more urban environment. So currently I'm just fixing up the textures. Sometimes the textures don't come as they should from Pixel Basher. So yeah, I do some cleaning up before going into Crocodile. Okay, so this is almost ready. This is almost ready to at least to start modeling some stuff in Crocodile, to start making sense of the shape of the whole house. Okay, so how's our friend? Our friend Darlington is asking, is it true that Church's Chicken was rebranded? Where the fuck was Church's Chicken rebranded, dude? It's still called Church's Chicken here in Honduras. Was it rebranded in Germany or in Europe? They changed the logo or the name or what was changed of Church's Chicken? Okay, let me see what would be the best way to approach this. Yes, this one. Yeah, unfortunately you don't have Church's Chicken in Germany, so yeah, no no pancha sandwiches for you, dude. Yeah, I saw some posts of. So our friend Darlington is saying I saw some posts of Church's Chicken. It might be just a promotion. It might be, but also it might be that they rebranded it. Didn't know they rebranded Church's Chicken. I'm gonna go and see if they rebranded it later. Not on stream. But yeah, thanks for the heads up. Okay, so there it is. That's what I need. Also, our friend Darlington is saying go get some panchos. Definitely, dude. Definitely, I will get some panchos this weekend. Yeah. Those are the perks of living in the third world. We get the shitty, non-healthy American food. Not like Europeans with their boring food. With their boring non-fast food. Oh no, that's not what I need. Okay, so there it is. We've got like the basic shape. What happened here? Did I move this? We've basically got the shape for the the texture for the starting to model the shape of this two-story house. Okay, so let's fire up Crocodile. Okay. There it is. I'm just gonna leave up some space because I always end up needing more space in many of these models. So I'm just gonna leave the free space for later. Okay, so I'm gonna be moving everything. There it is. Okay. So is this? Okay, awesome. So this is what I need for Crocodile. Urban house. Tags. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, yeah, that's why I say that I'm always needing more space. Yeah, I forgot about the size of this. Okay, let's get back to Pixel Basher. I had forgotten about the sides of the house. This is just the front. Mm, 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 mm. Should I put some windows on the sides or not? Yeah, maybe some small windows. Okay, yeah, we've got the side. Here it is. Okay. Let me just delete all of this. Okay, that's the side of the house. Awesome. So let me just check. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. This the right size? Yes. 4. Yes. 4 by 7. Awesome. Okay, so now I can start modeling this. So this one should be the front. This one should be the side. There it is. Now it's taking shape. And where's the reference? Yeah, there's the reference. We get this sloped roof. So let me try and start working that. I'm just thinking how to approach this. Make it look like the reference. Let me see. Got this. So does it reach? No, it comes a bit out of the main structure. It isn't close to the edge. It comes a bit out. So I'm gonna move this. Yeah, something like that. I'm just gonna start blocking the space just to see. Yeah. Yes. Is this too much? Yeah, that's way too much. Yeah. So now I should start doing the edge of the roof. Okay, there it is. Okay, awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this part in a bit. I just wanna block out the main shape of the overall house. Would be around there, right? Yes, something like this. Oh, okay. Yes, there it is. Okay, so now I can start cleaning up that bottom, right? Maybe with this one. I'm gonna use this one just for the sake of it. Okay, so this is starting to make sense, right? So let me just duplicate the roof. Yeah, let's duplicate this one. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking fine. I just gotta start refining the shape. Okay, awesome. Oh, so yeah, this roof goes a bit back, a bit to the back. Okay, something like that. I think so. So I should move it a bit higher. Yes, yes, this is looking more like it. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna start cleaning up the edges here. Two, three, four. Okay, so we're up to 2 hours and 18 minutes on the stream. I'm getting hungry. I'm definitely getting hungry. It's 6:26 a.m. where I'm at. So yeah, I should be getting breakfast soon. Yeah, I will be streaming today for 3 hours. Okay, let's go for 3 hours. And I will be coming back on Monday. Yeah, I'm coming back on Monday, maybe at the same hour. I like this hour. I think that we've made good progress today. Have been having fun conversations. Started with our friend Abdul, then our friend Raccoon, then we've got our friend Darlington, and yeah, it has been a nice stream. Have been having lots of fun, so I will definitely will be trying to stream at this hour. No. How should I approach this one? Okay, yes. Yes, there it is. That's what I wanted. Oh, so those vertices are a bit to the back. Yeah, that's better. Let's bring it to the other side. There it is. Okay, so now I just need to close. Sometimes I don't even know why I'm doing some of this stuff, because the back of this house isn't going to be visible to the player. But anyways, I'm just trying to for it to make sense. Oh, so I should definitely add like an edge of this, an edge of that type of the roof, the edge of the roof to the sides, maybe. Yeah, definitely should add. I will do it later. I will do it later off stream. I'm just trying to have like a main structure, so then I can start editing this same texture. I'm just gonna edit this texture and replace it on this model, so I can have different type of houses with just one model. With the same model, I can have different type of houses. Okay, so let's bring this up to to Unreal. Okay, let's see how it's starting to look. Okay, faces, like all faces. Okay, we're gonna turn this into an object. This is going to be urban house 1. Okay, awesome. Text, this is going to be text urban house 1. Merge vertices. Okay, let's go back to Unreal. Okay, there it is. There's our 3D model. I'm just gonna edit this one. I'm always getting the wrong naming when I import stuff. I should work on that. Create material. Yeah, it's gonna be matte urban house. Okay, there it is. Also, we're getting some filtering. Yeah, that's why it's a bit blurry because of the filter. There it is. Now it's working. So I should definitely fix the pivot point on this model right now. Should I set it on a corner? Yeah, maybe the corners work. Or for this type of structures, I think, yeah, a corner is a much better place than the middle. So I'm gonna be placing it here on the corner. Okay, there it is. Awesome. So this is just my, as I was saying, this is just my base like my base house for this city like place on the game. I'm gonna go and make more textures based on this one, but the model is gonna be the same one, so I do not need to be adding modeling more stuff. So I'm just gonna duplicate some of this. I just want to see how the space, the general feel of the space is looking. Okay, there it is. So this would be like a really cool city, right, to encounter after solving a couple puzzles and after fighting a couple monsters. I'm just gonna duplicate each of these. Yeah, I'm just trying to see the space. This isn't the final form of this, definitely, as they all look the same. I'm just trying to see how to approach this space. Yes, this looks nice. Okay, let's see it in gameplay. Awesome. So I don't like how this part of the map is looking. It's a bit dull. So I will definitely be adding some kind of stuff around here, so it doesn't look so dull. And also here, there should be a battle here, this part of the map, before going into this puzzle. Okay, there it is. It gets solved. And we go into this city. I'm thinking if those spaces... Yeah, I think those spaces between the houses look nice. I'm definitely going to start adding some props around here. So let me see. Let's see. Let's bring up some stuff from here. Maybe some of these. Oh, so the groups aren't working. Yeah, the grouping is broken. I should be using the other Toddy models. I've got other Toddy models. I will definitely be using more of those. Okay, yeah. What was I trying to bring? Yeah, I was trying to bring these ones. The... Maybe I can start using them here. Yeah, maybe not. Let's just see how they look. Okay. Yeah, I think they do look a bit nice, right? Okay, so this one should go here. I will definitely be changing this floor. Yeah, this one should be concrete. Okay, so just for the sake of having some kind of reference of how this would look. This is just a reference. Do we have concrete? Yes, we have concrete. Concrete tiles. Oh, yes. This looks nice. Okay. I'm just playing here just to see how the city would start to look. Yeah, it's looking starting to make sense, a bit of sense, right? Okay, we solved that one. Now we encounter a Toddy. Yeah, that is Toddy's work like charm everywhere. I love Toddies. In whichever place I place them, it just makes the whole place look more beautiful, look better. But I will be using them wisely for special places, for shrines, and for places where you would encounter puzzles or anything, or the entrance of a dungeon. Yeah. Oh, so the door opens and we get to the city. Awesome. I'm liking how this looks. It's not finished yet. It's just like a general idea of encountering a city inside the game. Let me just duplicate some of this. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna fix up some of these panels so they don't overlap. We don't get those artifacts. Yeah, gonna fix this. Yeah, there it is. Now there's no overlapping. Okay, this works. Okay, awesome. Now it's starting to look like something, right? Should we add some trees, some plants here? Yeah, maybe not. No, I don't think so. Because this is concrete. There should be no plants in this place. Oh. Well, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna fix it later. This is just a placeholder. Okay. Gotta fix that puzzle so it works as intended. Anyways, let's keep going. So we encountered this puzzle. Just to give a bit of context. We got to this puzzle. And you saw the last one. You saw that the green panels are the ones that solve the puzzle. They are part of the solution. You would logically imagine that it would be the same on this next puzzle. So the thing to do here is to find the right way to go from one green panel to the other. So if we go here, it works, but if we go here, it doesn't. It resets the puzzle, and it's gonna decrease the health of the player. Okay, so there it is. Oh, this is a trap. I should set that one as a trap. Okay, awesome. I just saw that. Okay, so we open up here and we get to the city. Okay, I'm liking how those textures of the floor are looking. I don't know if I should be using that kind of textures. Those aren't pixel art textures. I'm trying to maintain a consistency all over the graphics of the games. So I wouldn't know if I would use this kind of textures, but we'll see. We'll see if it works. If I experiment with some other types of textures. Yeah, maybe not. I'm gonna fix that error later. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is looking better. Now let's try one more. 0.5 more to the size of the UVs of the texture. Did I apply it? Let's try to. Yeah, I think that works. Okay, let me see. Maybe I'm gonna start using this kind of textures inside Spaceman Memories for some places. Maybe not. Who knows? The thing is, I'm trying to maintain some consistency on the graphics. But maybe, oh yeah. Yeah, that's a trap. Trying to maintain some consistency, as I said. But this is looking nice. I like this. Maybe I'm gonna keep using this type of textures. But anyways, yeah. This is the start of like the entrance of a new city. Yeah, I'm gonna work on the textures of these houses so they're different from each other. I'm gonna start adding the NPCs around here and some props. Oh yeah, I shouldn't be able to go through the alley. I'm gonna fix that. But yeah, at least I'm sure that the collider works. The collider of the house works. Okay, so what should I do next now? I'm thinking I'm keep working on this city. Maybe not. Let me see. We're up to 2 hours and 43 minutes. Yeah, that wouldn't be. There wouldn't be enough time to make good progress here. But yeah. Anyways, let me just. I'm gonna fix that error later. This music, this sound, the track definitely reminds me of Zelda, of the Legend of Zelda. There's something there on the melody which is related to Zelda. This is an Easter egg, definitely. This is a good reference to the Zelda games. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave it here for today. Yeah, I know I said that I was gonna be streaming for 3 hours. I'm almost at the 3 hour timeline, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Let me just check out. Oh, awesome. Okay, to close the stream, let's see the work from our friends, from our game developer friends in Japan. I've made quite an amount of game developer friends which keep inspiring me. These guys are relentless. Japanese game developers are relentless. These guys work every day. They work on their games, they make progress, they post content, and this is what has been pushing me to be more consistent, to be better, becoming part of the Japanese indie game development community, which has been awesome. They have been very, very supportive. Oh, this looks awesome. Let's see this. Muscat pixel art animation. Awesome. Yeah, oh, this looks awesome. Robstar picture. I like this graphics. Oh, we've got a new follower. I'm gonna check that one. I'm not gonna go into the profile now because some of this. Okay, I'm gonna go into the profile. I did what I said that I wasn't going to do. But anyways, there's no problem. Sometimes the Japanese friends, Japanese artists, some of them make erotic games, erotic content. So I was afraid of encountering that, but I didn't. So yeah, awesome. Let's see. I wanted to show, just to close the stream, I wanted to show a bit of the progress on the, as you saw on the stream, on the gameplay. I've also been working off stream on the UI, on the heads-up display of the game of Spaceman Memories. And yeah, I've been working on this has taken me a lot of time, way more than it should, but I'm very meticulous and try to be very detailed in graphic design, in the UI things of the UI stuff of things. And yeah, it takes me time. I like to be very detailed, but I'm liking how the graphics look, how the health bar and the energy bar of the suit. So the suit is gonna use energy for the attacks, for the weapons in the battles. So this is the energy that we're gonna be using for that type of things, and this is the health, obviously. So yeah, I wanted to show a bit of that before I ended the stream, and I will be showing next week a bit of the, finally in public, I will be showing a bit of the battle UI, the battle system in Spaceman Memories, in this new version of Spaceman Memories. It will be so this is the previous version of Spaceman Memories, the one that I was making in Unity, the 2D one. And yeah, it will be a bit like this one, but not exactly like this one. We're gonna be shaking things up a bit, taking a bit of a reference from Octopath Traveler, like the camera and the player being on the right side instead of the left side. So yeah, I'm gonna be shaking things up there, working with the buttons, showing the buttons, how things are gonna be working. I'm gonna make things different. The attacks are gonna be different. The buttons, the mechanics of the battle are gonna be different from what I was doing previously on the previous version of Spaceman Memories, which I was making in Unity. So yeah, there's that. Oh, see me. There I am. Awesome. The stream is working great. Okay, so if you're watching, thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna be closing up the stream right now, and I'm gonna be ending it. This was an awesome stream. This was a fun stream. Really enjoyed the company. Really enjoyed the conversations on chat. So yeah, I will be coming back on Monday. Thanks a lot for watching. If you're watching wherever you are, thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll be seeing you guys very soon on Monday. Okay, maybe at the same hour, maybe later. Don't know, but close to the hour that I started today. So thanks for watching. Really happy to share the process. Bye bye. Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to whichever, or follow me in whichever platform you're watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Subscribe.